Hi, I'm Ava, and today we will be learning about the hazards of earthquakes and how to keep safe.
Hi, I'm Halen. Fun fact, did you know in 1995 a powerful earthquake hit Kobe, Japan and nearly 5,000 people perished from the fires it sparked or the buildings it made collapse?
Hi, I'm Ashlyn, and did you know different land structures can cause different types of earthquakes? So if a house is built on solid rock, it will shake less during an earthquake than a house built.
The February 2011 earthquake in Christchurch, New Zealand followed nearly 6 months after a magnitude 7.1 earthquake shook the region. The earthquake killed 181 people and significantly damaged the central city. The economic damage caused by the earthquake and aftershocks is estimated to be around $15 billion.
The damage caused by earthquakes also depends on their depth and fault type.
Tsunami waves can reach heights over 100 feet high. These are very powerful underwater waves that can get up to 500 miles per hour. That's crazy!